everyone, this is Ria and welcome back to my channel Ria's Amazing World. So today I am going to give some productive ideas of making planner for 2021. So now without any further ado, let's start this video. Now let us start writing and you can also write with me. So give the heading Productive Planner of 2021. So our step 1 is to make handwritten timetable with timings. Friends, if we want to be productive, then we should always have our handwritten timetable with timings. I feel that we should make timetable monthly because we are students and we have to change timetable little bit due to our studies. I mean to say that due to our exams. Now let us write our step 2. So our step 2 is task timing table. To make the perfect timetable, this is the most important step. So friends, in this step, in step 2, what we have to focus on is what we want to achieve in a short term and what we want to achieve in a long term. So now let me explain you by writing, so you will get exactly what I want to say. So now we will write the tasks, and for a student the tasks will be productive habits, so study and break time or play time. So friends, in productive habits almost we have all things like this: exercise, hobby, help mom, self-care, and long or short term goal. Now in study what we have is, the first one is self study and the second one is online school classes. Now with the help of pencil we will write over here that how much time we will spend in each of these activities, and why I am writing with pencil that I will tell you later on. So for exercise we will spend half an hour. For hobby I think so it should be 1 hour. Then for help mom it will be half an hour. For self-care it will be half an hour, and for short term or long term goal I think it should be 1 hour. So it's our productive habits timing. Now let's say self-study timing. So according to my online classes I will write timings over here. Now my online classes are for total 2 hours. We have break in between, but total it is of 2 hours, and my self-study timing is for 6 hours. And this break and play time I would like to give 1 hour. Now we will make table of it with the help of scale and pencil. So I think it would be more better if we make these linings first, and after that this goal will be here. So you can write like that. So now we will write the total hours that we want to spend for each task. So for productive habits 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3.5 hours. For study 6 plus 2, 8 hours. And for playtime 1 hour. Now the total hours of these are 9, 10, 11, 12 and a half hours. So it is 12 and a half hours. Now our step 3 is productive hours I have in a day. So for example, I wake up between 6:30 to 6:45 a.m. and I go to bed between 10:30 to 11 o'clock. So friends, I can say that I have productive hours between 7 to 10. So total productive hours I have in a day are 15 hours. Now before moving further, have you noticed one surprising thing, friends? That is, for doing all these needed tasks, we require only 12 and a half hours. We have included almost everything. For self-study, I have taken 6 hours and our exams are also coming, final exam. So yeah, that's why. Now break and play time, it is 1 hour, so it is enough. But if you are in lower standard, then what you can do is, you can reduce this time by 4 hours or 3 hours or as much as you want, and you can increase the time over here or any of them. Now what I mean by long or short term goal means to learn something new or to achieve our dream. Say for example, if you want to learn a new language, or you can take my example that I want to be a choreographer, so my long term goal is to become a choreographer, so learning choreography and setting choreography and all that. Now the step 4 is setting all this task in our 15-hour day. So our step 4 is set all tasks in 15 hours. So this 12 and a half hours is hours of task, and this is the hours of our day. Now friends, over here I am not setting any timetable because my online classes timetable and your online classes timetable are obviously different. So we need to set our task according to our online classes timetable. Now I would like to tell you that how I set all these tasks in my day. So exercise I do at morning, hobby and self-care I do in late afternoon, and I help mom after lunch, so it is early afternoon. And long term or short term goal I do according my need or according to the study timetable. So friends, today I am going to make my January 2021 month timetable. So if you want the timetable, then I'll be uploading that video soon with a file tour video, and mostly I'll upload that video after 1 or 2 videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you notice that subscribe button in red color, then tap on it and make it gray. Now let us move further. Now our step 5 is keep yourself surrounded by positive vibes. So stay away from all that negative things and negativity, and focus on your goals and focus on the things that you are doing and that you want to do. Now friends, I have explained you everything by these 5 steps because I want to explain you that what I think before timetable and what we should think before making our timetable. Now let me tell you friends that why I have written these timings with pencil. So basically during our exam time we have to do this hobby time half an hour, and after our exams are finished we can do it 1 hour. So accordingly we have to fill it every month, so that's why don't make a new new productive planner. Just make the correction over here. For example, your exams are coming, so you have to keep it half an hour and accordingly that. So for February, if you think that any change is needed over here, then you can make that change, otherwise keep it like this. Friends, we have many hours in a day to do productive things, but the only thing is we don't know how many hours we have unless we practically write the timetable like this. So be productive and make your timetable of January. And here I have given a lot of smileys because we need only 12 and a half hour in a day for doing productive habits, study, for our break and play time. But we have 15 hours in a day, so 2.5 hours are free and totally free, so you can do what you want to do. So here I am writing the gift of making timetable is that 2.5 hours are totally free and free. So you can do what you want to do. You can enjoy that 2.5 hours. Friends, today is the last day of 2020, so make the January 2021 planner today only, and I'm also going to make it today, and I'll also share it with you in 2021. I mean, after 1 or 2 videos, so stay tuned for that. So take your notebook and pen and copy down these 5 steps plus this gift. Once you need to write like this, and from February you just need to change the timing if required and make the new handwritten timetable. This takes only half an hour per month, but it is really worth to spend half an hour every month to make this timetable. So without forgetting, make it today only. It will really help you a lot. So this was only in this video, and yes, next time I'll be coming with a new video. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a like, and please if your subscribe button is in red color, then tap on it and make it gray, and if your subscribe button is in gray color, then don't tap on it. So next time I'll be coming with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.